talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video. And I've been gone for a minute, but I have a good reason, which I will talk about later on in the video. But pretty much I wanted to make this video for a really long time now. But every single time I try to make it, it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. Originally I wanted to do like a Fortnite gameplay because Fortnite's kind of in right now. Or not kind of in, but it's like huge right now. But I'm not really good at the game. So really I wasn't getting any good gameplay, and then I tried to do like a live gameplay of like some Call of Duty, and then I noticed my PS4 was making a loud noise, and then it was just like annoying background noise, so I just decided to cut that video. And then I tried a few more times and it just was not coming out good. And now it's pretty late to be doing this video because the lookbook drops like in 3 days or 4 days, but regardless, I still wanted to do an update video as well as cover a few things while I'm at it. So by now I should be having some gameplay in the background. Originally I wanted to, like I said, do like a live gameplay, but my PS4's noise was just kind of annoying. So I gotta figure out another way to get around that. Either like recording the audio through my computer or something, but we'll fix that later on. Let me know if you do want to see any gameplay videos. If you want to add me and play Fortnite with me, I'll leave my PSN in the maybe in the description below. Yeah, I'll leave it there. And then maybe I'll do like videos like playing Fortnite with subscribers or something like that. I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, regardless of that, I will talk about the leaks first, and then I will talk a little bit about where I've been and what's been going on and what I'm planning for this upcoming season. So since these are just leaks, I don't really want to spend too much time with them. Just like pretty much put a picture on the screen, and that's going to be kind of it. So first of all, of course, we have the preview that dropped, which was the studded leather jacket, or like a leather hoodie. That was just the preview. Previews are always one picture, and that's pretty much it. So nothing much to say about any of this. And then a Public Enemy collaboration with Doc Martens actually leaked, but I believe there's going to be other items, or like shirts and hoodies. It's like a space print, almost. Yeah, it's pretty much just like a space print. So that's kind of crazy design. Also, these like dad shoes leaked. They have like flames on them. I don't remember the exact name. It's like the Nike Air Trainer, something like that. I don't really care for the name. But yeah, those were leaked as well. They actually look pretty cool. I mean, a lot of people dislike them because of the silhouette, but they're not that bad, honestly. A few other things that dropped were some accessories, like, well, they didn't drop, but they leaked. It's like this, what the fuck am I talking? It's like this shoulder bag, with Supreme on the actual straps, which looks pretty cool. And then a hatchet also leaked, so it's almost like a tomahawk. If you don't know what a hatchet is, you can like cut shit with it. Yeah, and I kind of just went straight into it because I don't want to waste so much time, because like I said, I've tried to make this video like 6 times. But yeah, it feels good to be making a video again. And then this like Rick Rubin is gonna be the photo model for the photo tee this year. So as you know, Supreme does a photo tee every season at the beginning of the season. So there's that. There's also speculation that a box logo will drop, a box logo crew neck, which is actually very likely due to how many not how many box logos, but they've been very consistent throughout the past seasons. Like, we've had at least one box logo every season for the past few seasons, if I can recall correctly. So it's very likely there's going to be a box logo, most likely a long sleeve. We haven't seen those in forever, so now is a pretty good time. Other than that, there is going to be the NBA collaboration, which will feature a Air Force One as well as some jerseys and shorts. Some other things were this like skull print, like the green skull print, inspired by a Juicy J video, I believe. Yeah, and then just like recently, some other things leaked. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so it's like an ARC logo Supreme shirt, the small box logo t-shirts, I don't know, some long sleeve and some like floral zip up and some blue pants. I'll try and post those somewhere. If not, just go ahead and follow Drops by Jay on Instagram. He pretty much posts everything. But yeah, that was kind of it for the leaks as far as like what's out there. And the lookbook's gonna drop in a few days, so I will do a video on my favorite pieces from that drop. I will also be doing a live checkout video for Palace tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I get this video up in time. If I don't, then Palace should have already dropped. But this is also going to be an update video. So I will continue to be doing checkout videos for Supreme. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, I want to expand the channel, so maybe I'll do some gaming videos with subscribers. That'd be pretty fun. And probably some IRL videos later on in the later down the timeline. I don't know when. Yeah, pretty much I was gone throughout the entire season. Supreme was down. I got on break from school around the same time it closed, and then I just started working a lot. I was doing like 60 hours a week, so I really didn't have time there. And then when school started, I kind of just, it was kind of hard to balance everything at the same time. So I have a little bit more time now. I'm kind of like in the groove of things, so I'm ready for the season. So hopefully everyone stays tuned for that. And then the reason I wanted to do gaming was I used to do a lot of Call of Duty back in the day. I was like in clans or whatever back when like all the clans were actually like big. So not just FaZe, it was like Soar and Obey and what the fuck else was there? Psycho. I don't know. I remember a bunch of different weird clans. So I used to play a lot of Call of Duty back in like the golden era of Modern Warfare 2. And then I found my old Elgato and I was like, yo, I should do an update video while playing Call of Duty or just a video game in general, just so it's not just me talking. So there should be some like gameplay in the background. I don't know how long the gameplay is, but if it cuts a little short, I probably will post like an old montage I did. So I used to like make montages as well in Call of Duty. If you guys want to see that, let me know, and I'll do like another video like using that as the background so you guys can see it if you want. But other than that, just like a small update video with a few leaks, pretty straight to the point. So hopefully you guys stick with me for this upcoming season. I want to say thank you to anybody who's watching right now, because it's not a checkout video, so I don't expect it to get that many views. But if you're watching this, I appreciate you very much. Thanks for fucking with me, and I usually don't do this, but if by any chance someone wants to be featured in my video next time, just comment and I'll pick a random comment and post it on my... Some people do that shit. I don't really see a point in it, but some people like it. Yeah, just comment something and then I'll pick a random one and put it in my video next time. Like, just give a shout out. Just let me know that if you want to be in it or something. I don't know. But yeah, that was kind of it. Just a quick little update video. Again, if you want to play Fortnite with me, I suck at it, but if you want to help me get better at it, go ahead and add me on PSN and we can game it up sometime. So again, my PSN will be in the description below, so maybe I'll make some videos doing that. Well, hopefully I can if anybody wants to see that. But like I said, that's it for the video. Again, thank you so much for anybody that's watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the Palace checkout video if I edit it in time. Blah, 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 blah.